Fans enjoy watching old car restoration videos, so they decided to stop merely watching and towed their Lexus 460, which had only traveled a modest 300,000 kilometers, over for a full restoration. The owner's requests aren't excessive, he just wants the money spent where it truly matters. However, the entire car's exterior has countless bumps, dents and scratches, and the interior, well, it's an absolute disaster zone. The engine, moreover, is vibrating quite severely. I'm afraid the entire vehicle is nothing but where the money counts. The fans just had 4 words to say: make it look good, no matter the cost.
Military orders are absolute, so why are you still talking? Get the battle song ready, let's go!
Romance from the mechanic.
Inspection complete, engine on board.
The dashboard, seats, and ceiling light have all been unwrapped and repaired.
So rewrapping classes is reconstructing species.
Shall we directly see the effect?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.